Ryzen set stars are stars that appear to set below or appear to rise up from the horizon as viewed from the surface of the Earth. They are stars that do not remain above the horizon, revolving around a celestial pole as viewed from the surface of Earth over a 24 Earth-hour period. Let's take a look at these Ryzen set stars. On the right, we have an animation, and the stars appear to make a revolution around a common point, which is a celestial pole. We are viewing the skyline and these stars making this 24-hour period around the celestial pole, and we see stars that are making complete circles in the sky, which are going to be your circumpolar stars. Those stars that appear to go under the skyline and come up from the skyline are rise and set stars. For example, take a look at the handle of the Big Dipper. You'll notice that this handle appears to go into the ground and come up from the ground. That would be a rise and set star. All the other stars in the animation are circumpolar stars as they remain up 24 hours a day, making these revolutions in the sky around a celestial pole. On the left-hand side, we can see the star trails. Star trails are making trails around a common point, which is also a celestial pole. In this case, we're looking from the ground. We have a camera. We've opened up the shutter of the camera, and we let the light fall into the shutter for a period of, let's say, 10 hours, and we can see these arcs in the sky. If it was open for 24 hours, we'd see a complete circle. Notice that anything to the inside of this yellow line, that star trail, these are circumpolar stars. Anything to the inside of the yellow line are circumpolar stars. They seem to make complete circle star trails in the sky. Anything that makes an arc that's on the outside of the yellow line, these are your rise and set stars. These are the stars that appear to set into the ground and appear to rise out of the ground. These are your setting stars and your rising stars. They appear to rise and set depending on your point of view from the surface of Earth. Anything to the inside of the yellow line would be circumpolar stars, which I'll abbreviate CS. Anything to the outside are considered rise and set stars. They appear to set below or they appear to rise up from the horizon as viewed from the surface of the Earth.